Yo, what's up? Today I got here the TST Industries Total Protection Package for the R3. You gotta have protection if you're gonna be doing anything on a motorcycle, really. So yeah, let's just get started with this thing. Alright, now that we have everything unboxed, let's get started. I'm gonna save those for later, because those ones are gonna be difficult, because we have to cut shit. I think we'll get started with the swing iron spools so we can get this thing up on a stand. Alright, now that the bike's on a rear stand, let's get started with the rest of the protection. Well, that sucks. That's just spinning. I need... Don't really have any gloves. Let's see if this helps. Oh, yeah. Alright, that helped. That was jank, but whatever. Whoa. Just came a bit. Let's see if I can do it without the glove this time. That's the wrong way. Nope. Nope, need the glove. Alright, this is only because I got nothing else I think will work. And I'm gonna do my best to not damage the bar end. Okay, there we go. That makes it easy. Hopefully it didn't scratch anything. Oh, yep, it scratched it. I have scratched it. Now for the new one. Alright, now for the part that I am not looking forward to. Cutting the fenders to install these frame sliders. Hopefully it goes well. You guys will know in a few seconds. I'll know in like a few hours. So yeah, let's get started with that. Yeah, you know we out here with the heart of the cards, man. Alright, so the first one turned out pretty good, but the second one, that kind of sucks. I think I'm gonna try and find like a touch-up pen that'll match this color or something. Should be fine. At least this is the like bottom of the fairing. That's easier to cover up. It's gonna be covered up by the actual frame slider, so could have been worse. Alright, I'm finally done putting all the protection on this bike. It is now ready to roll, ready to fall without damaging too much of it. Yeah, that's about it. These turned out alright. See, it's not perfect, but it'll definitely do. This is a bit bad. But from here you can't see it, so that's what counts. Thank you guys for watching this video of me installing a whole bunch of stuff on my bike. Next time we're gonna get rid of these things and yank out this big ass rear fender, license plate mount, whatever. And this bike will be mint. I don't know what's gonna happen after that, but stay tuned to find out. Oh my god, man, I've been in my freaking garage for like 5 minutes and I'm already sweating.